Hello beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I get this super simple makeup look. It took me about 5 minutes to do this look and it's super affordable and perfect for beginners because all the makeup is from the drugstore. So if you would like to see how I get this look, then just continue watching. Alright babe, so first thing you're gonna want to do is to wash your face, moisturize your skin, you know, all that good stuff. And then you're gonna want to prime. Since this is more of a like quick makeup tutorial, you know, I'm just gonna use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm not gonna take much because it's not like I'm putting on foundation or anything because that's not quick. But just to kind of shrink a little bit of pores, fill in those holes or whatever this primer is supposed to do. I don't know. I just like it, even on an everyday thing. So I'm just gonna put that on, rub that in all nice and good. And then I'm going to take this e.l.f. stick color corrector thing, stick, and I'm just gonna put it under my eyes because, you know, dark marks, you know, we have them. Right? And then I'm gonna take my beauty blender. This is a clean, damp beauty blender, but it's stained, so it doesn't look clean. And I just put these on there to get rid of any like dark marks I have, because I do have some from pimples or whatever. I'm gonna move my bangs out of the way so I can do this properly. Boom. Alrighty. Okay, so next I'm going to take this e.l.f. concealer. This is the hydrating one, the camo concealer. I'm just gonna put a little, pretty much on all the places that I like spot concealed. I didn't spot conceal down there, but I just noticed that's there. I don't know if I want to, yeah, just a little. Then I'm gonna blend that out. I know I said this takes like me under 5 minutes, and the reason it's not taking me under 5 minutes probably obviously in this video is because like I'm sitting here explaining to you what I'm using, I'm talking, so it's obviously going to be longer. This is literally just supposed to kind of make you look like a little more put together. It's supposed to look like you're not wearing any makeup at all, because you're honestly not. Like what, concealer and whatever I'm gonna do my eyebrows with, like that's really it, and mascara, like it's not nothing at all. Okay, so after that I'm going to go in with this True Match powder by L'Oreal. This is in the color N7. I'm just gonna take this brush from e.l.f. This is like one of their cheap brushes. Honestly, e.l.f. and Wet n Wild have good brushes for like cheap. Like you do not need to spend all that money on a brush. And I just took that on the parts where I concealed, so really just my eyes and right here in the middle of my forehead because I noticed it was really shiny from when I moisturized. I'm then gonna take some mascara. I'm gonna take the $1 Million Lash in the darkest black and the Lash Discovery also in the darkest black. I like to mix these two mascaras because it just makes my lashes look much better. I don't do my bottom lashes. Like sometimes I do, but I'm not going to right now because alright, so boom, done with lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna take this brow gel by e.l.f. It's the Brow Wow in black, and I'm gonna take this because I don't really like to fill my brows in on these type of days because it just takes way too much time to do. Like I'll sit here forever doing my brows, but this is supposed to be a, like, I don't want to say no makeup, but basically that's exactly what it is. No one wants to sit here and do that. Also on these days, I typically don't clean like from around my brows with concealer, but I need to wax my brows, honestly, so I need to. So I'm just gonna take the same e.l.f. concealer in a small concealer brush. This brush is also by e.l.f. This is just their concealer brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer and just go around my brows very lightly. It's actually pretty hard to see because my mirror is like all the way back there and I'm blind. I'm not wearing my glasses, so it's pretty hard to see right now. I really want to clean up the bottom part too at this time because the top part of my brows is never that bad. It's always the bottom. Okay, so after I've cleaned up around my brows, obviously you don't want to leave it like that. So I'm just gonna take my finger and just pat around it, trying to blend it out. Boom, good enough. Although I'm wearing bangs, like I really didn't have to do that, but every day I don't wear bangs, so you know, I have to. Next, I'm going to take this Cheek Heat blush by Maybelline in the color Fuchsia 25 Fuchsia. I'm just gonna take it on my finger just a little bit, squeeze it out, and on the high points of my cheeks. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender. I'm gonna use this side because this side is typically the side I blend this blush out with. And I'm just gonna blend it out. As you see, I like go around my nose and everything. I just put a little on. I'm also then gonna take this e.l.f. As you see, it's a lot of e.l.f. products because like for beginners and with all drugstore, like there are some expensive drugstore brands, but e.l.f. is the cheapest and it's my favorite. And like just because they're cheap doesn't mean their makeup doesn't work good. Like I never have a problem with my makeup with e.l.f. But I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna also put it on the high points right here and right here on the tip of my nose and right there. Okay, so I don't take a beauty blender when blending out the highlighter. I'll take my fingers. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do is just in with the sponge, like at the end of blending it, just to make sure it's like thoroughly blended. But to spread it, I prefer to just use my fingers. So now I'm going to take the bottom of my beauty blender and just further blend it into my skin. It's really oily, this liquid highlighter, so it looks more like a natural glow instead of super glittery, as you can see. And lastly, I think that's all. Yeah, lastly, I'm going to take you want to take like a red tinted or pink, depending on, I take red tinted lip balm. This one's from Nivea. It's in the color Cherry. I'm just gonna put it on. To moisturize and give my lips this cute red tint. And then I'm gonna take a clear gloss. This one I got from the beauty supply store. It's the rosehip oil one. I'm just gonna take a little. Alright, beauty babes, so this is the final look. As you can see, it's super simple. You can still see some problem areas, of course, but this is supposed to be very basic. It's not really supposed to look like you're wearing any type of makeup at all. I love this makeup look for when I just have to hurry up and get ready, because it's so simple and affordable. Like, the most expensive thing I think was this blush by Maybelline, but other than that, like, I love this look. Like, it's just so, I don't know what to call it, but it's nice, you know. But anyway, thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to be up. And hit the bell notification to be. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification to be notified when I upload another video. See you next time. Bye.